now turn it all the way to the right. All the way to the right, all the way over. Okay, now go neutral. Right there. Cut it all the way to the left. Now just all the way to the left, all the way over.
Okay.
Now just ease it into reverse. Right there. All you need to do is here plunk.
Okay.
Okay, let the back end come around a little bit. Okay, now go back to neutral. Cut it hard to the right. Hard to the right. Take it back towards the center of the dock. I'll let you do it all by yourself.
Right on.
This is generally where I bail. You haven't heard my husband swear like
I'm right here. Humans aren't allowed to yell. Right towards the middle. Right towards the middle. You're doing fine. Towards the middle. Towards the middle. Towards the middle.
Yep. No.
Okay, now to the right. No. Turn it to the right.
Right.
Neutral.
Okay.
Turn it to the left. Reverse. Right there. Warning. Neutral. Way to the right. Okay, just ease it into forward. There you go.
It's nice having a little
Hard over to the right. Okay, get the boat going that way. Now go to neutral. Okay, hard to the left. Reverse. Okay, let the boat come around. Okay, now neutral. Run to neutral, all the way to the right. And now hit forward. Take us back to the dock. But when you come in there, keep it in gear until you get the boat turned. And then go to neutral, all the way to the left, and then just ease it into reverse. Okay? Straight towards the middle of the dock. Nice and easy. Keep it going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Now turn to the right. All the way to the right. Nice and easy. Now neutral. Okay, all the way to the left. Just touch reverse. There you go, right there. Now neutral. Warning.